Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Sandra. So today we're going to be transforming this t-shirt into a one shoulder top with a ruching on the side. So stick around if you like that kind of thing, and thank you for coming. Firstly, you're going to take a one shoulder top that you own to use it as a template. But because I didn't have any, I used my two shoulder crop top and folded it so that I get the template I needed. You're going to lay the top flat and outline it with a designer's chalk. If you don't have a designer's chalk, I don't know, you can use something to write that, something that will just leave a mark so that you'll be able to see where to cut. This material was too soft, so outlining the top was not easy. It took a whole minute, but maybe you are going to be lucky in using a material that is not soft. So just do what I do and copy it to the T. But sis, you're allowed to do how else? You're allowed to customize, you're allowed to be creative. Just do what you gotta do to get this cute top done. I drew the shape, and once I was satisfied with it, I took my scissors and cut it out. You basically just follow the line. It's that easy. And as I was cutting, I realized that the fabric was moving about, and so I pinned it down. This is the part where I realized that everything is moving about, and then decided, you know what, let me go get my pins and pin everything down. No, wait, this is not the part, but the part will come in a few seconds. Okay, now this is the part. So now I'm pinning everything down because I don't want to be disturbed as I'm making this very nice top, this nice baby. So I'm just going to basically pin everything down so that it becomes easy when I cut the whole thing. I don't want to mess anything up. I mean, this is the only material I have. What am I gonna do when I mess it up? Like, I like this color. The reason why I got this t-shirt is because I love the color, and if I mess it up, wait, I'm not gonna get it. So make sure you are careful, make sure you cut it nicely, and make sure you cut along the line. And also, when you cut, make sure you leave the seam allowances when you cut. Don't forget to leave seam allowance. So, which makes it easy to hem the raw edges. Right, yeah, right. So, now you're going to continue cutting the material, the fabric, whatever you call it. But before I forget, when you go to the part, when you're cutting the side of the top that the ruching is going to be, make sure that you leave at least 2 centimeter allowance, which is going to later be turned into a casing. You'll see that when you get to that part. So the next step would now be to sew the top down. You're basically just going to sew the two sides of the top down, and then after that you are going to go and fold the raw edges. You're basically just going to use your pin to fold, and then after that you are going to, I feel like I'm too fast, but this is the part where you sew the sides down. This is the second side, so you're going to sew the side down. Then once you're done, because I pinned everything down to stop the fabric from moving about, you're going to take off the pins where they are not needed. You're just going to take them out. Take them out and then fold the raw edges. We're going to fold them, pin them, fold and pin them, fold and pin. So if you're still watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to watch my other videos as well, my other tutorials. I have made, I think, more than 5 if not 4 tutorials. Don't forget to watch those as well. Once you are done folding the raw edges, you're going to take your top to the sewing machine and sew everything down. Now we fold the raw edges to make the top look nice, look like it was professionally made. You don't want to be out there looking like a kid made your top, like, you know what I mean? Yeah, be out there looking like somebody who made your top knew what they were doing. To make the strings, I'm just going to use the remaining fabric from the t-shirt to cut out 2 pieces which are 2 centimeters thick. We're then going to fold the strings and pin them down. Repeat the same step on both strings. Now this step was so hard. As you can see, I did it off cam. That is why you are only seeing the strings which are pinned down. It wasn't easy, so I had to do it off cam. Sorry about that, but you can do it however you know how to, or you can use a loop turner. This was easy for me, but because the fabric was too soft, I just had to do it off camera. Then once that is done, you're going to take them to the sewing machine and sew them down. The process was not easy, you know, but like, because the fabric was soft and it was coiling and curling, and phew, I'm actually glad I'm done with the process. I'm glad I'm done. Moving to the casings, you're going to cut the bottom and the top of the casings because that is how you're going to insert or feed the string through the casing. But you're now going to take the edges from the side seams and pin them down to the other side, the other one on the left and the other one on the right. You're just going to pin like that. You're going to pin them down, but I realized that I do not have the clip, which is why I'm just explaining it to you, but I'm sure you get the picture. And after that, once that's pinned down, you're going to sew everything down like I'm doing right now, and just like that you will be done. Make sure to cut the looming threads out so that it looks nice. We're all about nice and profesh here. So yeah, once that is done, you're going to be left with the strings and the casings to feed through. I mean, we're done with the top. I mean, we are done. So moving on to the final step, we're going to feed the string through the casing. So now what I used is a safety pin to guide the string through the casing. You're going to feed it through the casing until it comes on the other end. Once you're done, you're going to pull it a little bit and then secure it with a stitch. You're going to repeat the same step on the other side or on the other casing. And once you say I do, there's no going anywhere. I mean, string said I do to the top, and now you have witnessed the whole beautiful ceremony, and this gave birth to my beautiful baby. As you can see, I'm in love with this top. It's so beautiful, it's so sexy. I mean, I love the color, I love the material, I just love everything about this top. I can't wait to rock it to an event. I can't wait to take it out to play. comment down below and let me know what you think about this top, and let me know how you would style this top and where you would wear this top. I'll be happy to read your comments. Let's go. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for coming, and if you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for coming. If you're a returning subscriber, don't forget to watch other videos that you might have missed. And guys, what do you think about this top? I love it. I love it. So guys, yeah, that is it from me, and see you in my next video. Ciao.